This is a review of Comfort Inn Amish Country in New Holland, Pennsylvania, room 128. So this is going to be on the first floor. Realistically, just kind of staying here a night because we didn't want to drive back home after coming to our preferred furniture shop. But this is where we ended up staying because it's closer than the normal one we stay at, which is the Riviera, which review popping up over there in the corner. But here we go. From the door over on the left, you've got your toiletry area. You can see it's tiled up front here and into the bathroom. There is a full-length mirror here on the door, and then it's really kind of tight in here because it's just a little small toilet, and then you close the door. Over here we've got our actual shower enclosure, if it would focus, which it's not bright in here because there's one light, but that's your hardware. There's your shower head, and because I do this, come over here and press on the walls. Obviously these are plastic, so it's kind of a bath fitter style. It does have wallpaper. Well, actually, at least it doesn't have wallpaper in the bathroom, which is nice. You got your boat out, shower rod there. One weird thing about this is the actual sink is out here, so you kind of have to open the door before you get out there. You can see there's a very large mirror up there. Trying to keep myself out of that because I don't really want to show. But you've got coffee maker, ice bucket, hair dryer, some accoutrement in there for showering and so forth. Down here you've got your towels, tissues. Notice there was none on the back of the toilet. And you do have what appears to be a nightlight over here. So this is going to be interesting. There's a nightlight slash power receptacle. Coming around, that's the main living area. I did forget to mention in the bathroom, there is a red heat lamp there that is on a 15-minute timer back that way. So coming back to the main living area, it's a smaller room. It's really just a king. You have over here on the left a place to sit down and put your shoes on and everything. Put stuff under there. There is no luggage rack in this room, which was a little weird. So if we come over here, that's kind of your main setup right here. So you've got a little nightstand with a clock. You've got the king bed and headboard, some art up there. I will let you know how this is after staying here. I will say already there are people above us that I can hear walking around. So the exterior of the building lends me to believe that this is a little older hotel as opposed to some of the places that we've stayed. So it'll be interesting. The interiors have been updated for sure. So another nightstand, telephone on this side. Your lights do have extra power cord plugins there, so that's nice. Pull out couch, another lamp, and then here you've got your exterior with your combo air conditioner heater. I'll test and see if it can stay on with a fan all night. Now, the one concern with this particular room, it's on the first floor. You've got parking right up there. This is a no smoking facility, so that's not really my concern, but it might be a little hard to see with a window that hasn't been cleaned. That there is a train track. Now, we're staying here during the weekend, so I don't know if there'll actually be any trains running, but if you're a light sleeper, that's a pretty close track to where you're actually going to be sleeping. So I don't know about that. There is a shopping center right across the way there, which is kind of nice to have, but the train being that close concerns me. I'll let you know if I actually hear anything. There you've got a little table to work at. Under the pile of coats is a chair. You've got another mirror there. You've got your flat screen TV, a small microwave, and a refrigerator. Now, if you're wondering where the closet is, it's over here on the right-hand side of the bed. And this is kind of where we stashed our luggage there on the floor. You can see it's not the brightest of places, but in there, you've got a ironing board and an extra blanket and other things. You've got coat hangers in there, and if we kind of flip the doors the other way, there's your iron on that wall. And some extra electrical sockets in there for some reason. It's a room. We'll see how it does. It was cheap and close to our location, and we were only going to stay here one night, so we'll see how it goes. I will let you know. All right, as promised, a wrap-up video. So Did learn the door, gotta really pull it shut. If you just let it kind of shut on its own, it doesn't fully close. Learned that because we went outside to take care of the car because it was raining last night to make sure our windows were up and everything. And we closed it, but we thought it closed all the way. It did not, so just give that a good yank. All right, bathroom, it's small, it's a bathroom. Oddity, light switch, bathroom. Light switch, lights on. So it's one of those weird ones where the light switch to turn on the fan and the light in the bathroom is located outside. Don't know why, but that's there. Other oddity, this light switch, not turning on or off the lights where we currently are. This turns off this bedstand light. However, it also means it turns off any plugs that you have plugged in there. So I get it. You want to have this light turn stuff on here, but why would you? I don't know. That it was a little weird. Bed, not the most comfortable. Both my wife and I did not wake up fully rested, shall we say. Coming back this way, as I said, there are the train tracks there. But when we were here for the day, there was no train, so I can't say how much of a problem that may or may not be. But all in all, for the price and location, if you're just looking for something kind of quick, cheap, and located in New Holland, Pennsylvania, it's worth checking out. It's not terrible. Like I said, it's got a mini fridge, it's got a microwave, it's got a TV. I mean, it has your amenities. Just those few little oddities. I don't understand that. But again, all in all, still good for the price. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the area below. Thanks for watching.